You're losing half your sales at checkout and you don't even know it. 48% of shoppers abandon their carts because of one simple mistake. We're going to break this down into 5 reasons why people abandon their carts. There's unexpected costs at checkout, and people get sticker shock. There's no guest checkout option, forcing account creation. It's either a complicated or slow checkout process. There's a lack of trust or security concerns. There's no urgency or reason to complete the purchase. If you can address these 5 reasons customers abandon their carts, your conversion rate's going to go through the roof. So firstly, unexpected costs at checkout. Customers add items thinking they'll pay only $50, but once you add in shipping, taxes, and fees, it jumps up to $75 plus, leading to immediate abandonment. If you're upfront about your shipping costs or including your price with free shipping options, they're more likely to complete the purchase. You may even want to try buy now and pay later options like Afterpay or Klarna, making high-ticket items feel more affordable. The second one being there's no guest checkout options, forcing an account to be created. This is an extra step in the process and it creates friction. You actually want your customer to have the easiest path to purchase. Forcing an account creation pre-purchase is going to create friction within the process. Whereas if you have them do an account creation after checkout, you're more likely to get the sale and also have them create the account. 24% of customers abandon their carts when forced to create an account. People want speed. If checkout is annoying, they leave. So what you need to do is enable guest checkout, enable social logins like Google, Facebook, and Apple to speed up the process, or offer incentives for sign up or even post-checkout sign-up options. Third one being a complicated or slow checkout process. If you have too many steps in the checkout, if it's not simple and seamless, that's another reason for people to abandon their carts. So you need to make it very clean, clear, and to the point. Use a one-page checkout. Shopify apps are great. They're optimized for mobile speed. You want to make sure your mobile experience is really good because 70% of e-commerce now happens on mobile. And you also want to have autofill options for shipping and billing whenever possible. Number 4 being the lack of trust or any type of security. So new customers might be hesitant because they don't trust your brand. They don't know that you're not going to steal their credit card data. Maybe they don't know about your return policy. Maybe there's not enough reviews or testimonials. So make sure it's very clear that on your website, you have trust badges. You talk about high secure data, show lots of reviews and testimonials, clear return refund policies, easy to find, not hidden, not in the fine print, photo and video testimonials, and SSL secured certificates. You may even want to try and use UGC content, user-generated content from influencers, as this will help customers have even more trust. And lastly, maybe there's just not enough urgency or reason to complete the purchase. If there's no incentive to check out now, customers will procrastinate. They'll abandon their cart, thinking they'll come back later, but they never will. So you need to add urgency, add exit intent pop-ups, and have retargeting emails and ads. Limited time discounts, countdown timers, reminding people about their cart a few hours after. These are all really important. If you still are having issues with checkout, we're a full service e-commerce agency. We help you with everything from advertising to conversion funnels. If you have any specific questions, feel free to leave a comment and we'll try to answer them right away.